some lip gloss on, and I'm afraid that I'm gonna get it on my bag, so that's why we're staying at a little distance away from each other. But I did want to show her to you guys because she's so cute. And even look at the background, like, even though this isn't a perfect match, this is a Talbots dress that I got. Where did I get this from? I think Salvation Army, y'all. I probably paid $4 or $5 for it. Talbots makes really, really good dresses, basics, like, they're that girl. And then I have Brooks Brothers. Need I say more? Before Ralph Lauren, there was Brooks Brothers, in case y'all didn't know. He used to work for Brooks Brothers. FYI. Quality on Brooks Brothers is so good. Now this is like a cable style pattern. It's silk and cashmere. So y'all see me with this on all the time, but it's a staple. I also thrifted it for about $4 or $5. I think I got this at the Goodwill. So yeah, I thrift my clothes and then I just buy cute stuff like this. Good morning. A package in from Tory Burch. I literally ordered this Wednesday morning and it came Saturday morning. So apparently they have a hub or something close to Georgia, so this is definitely giving us prime vibes. Also, I made us a cup of tea here and I got our facial mask because y'all usually use this every day. I probably use it twice, so I figured let's go ahead and do the mask now. It's something we can get out of the way and I can show y'all the shoes and we can decide if we like them. So anyways, I just wanted to show you guys this. I was trying to give y'all like a little aesthetic view, but I'm not sure how good that's working. Or does this really feel like it's pulling down on my eyes? Oh. Ta-da! So should this be my thumbnail? Anyways, are we losing a light? A little card in there. Just want to say I'm just showing you guys this because it was a really good sale and gosh, my eye is itching. And I only order when sales happen, and this is not to shame anybody. I think you should spend your money however you want to. It's just for me, I just have various goals and things I'm trying to work on. But this was a really good sale in my opinion, and if I like the shoes, I'm gonna keep them. It's a wedge sandal. That's what it is. So I think they're really cute. That's pretty. Okay, so let's take it. Ooh, and I like the design. Look at that, that's cute. I love how the espadrille part doesn't extend all the way to the sole. I just love how they just differentiate that. And I love that it's got the leather sole, which I like. And yeah. All right, that's one. Okay, so this one looks fine, but here's the second one. And then I think you have like 30 days on these, so you can decide if you like it or not. Also, I used Rah'tah because Tory Burch has 8% off on Rah'tah, so that can help you too. So yeah, I think that's cute. Okay, let's try them on and see what's going on. These are the shoes on. I think they're cute. Yeah, I think they're cute. They feel comfortable, like when I walk in them and stuff. I feel uncomfortable. So it's Father's Day morning. It's crazy. We're in here trying to get all the food together. We're back home. Okay, guys, I threw everything into my Longchamp bag. So yeah, I'll show you guys really quick what I'm wearing, and then we're just making brunch. All right, this is my outfit. I had this on yesterday too, so I just threw it back on. It's Old Navy dress that I thrifted, and this is actually a necklace and pieces my dad got me from when I was a little girl, so I decided to wear them today. You said the grass?
Yeah. But I see the rainbow.
Like, this is really pretty. Home Goods also makes really good cards and stuff that you can pick out. They have a really good selection of cards. This is the bag. I wanted to show you guys the bag we got for Dad. I got free will and I can vacuum my carpet or do whatever I want anytime I want over here. So we're vacuuming. I actually saw a bug in the corner and I couldn't get it up with my hand, like, well, not with my hand actually, but with a napkin, and he was falling apart and it was grossing me out. So I said, let me get my vacuum cleaner and vacuum him up. And then now I'm looking at my vacuum cleaner, y'all. I feel like I need a new one. I know I need a new one, but I wanted to go to Walmart and I did see some in Walmart, but I've heard so many things. When they first rolled out this digital pricing in my Walmart, I was very concerned. And the fact that they don't have prices on anything anymore just lets me know that this ain't going well. So I heard that the prices can change based on your reaction in the store, based on the volume of people in the store. So it's almost like there's no stability there. It sounds like it's like we're gonna have to plan for Walmart the same way we plan to purchase an airline ticket. Like, it can just fluctuate at any time. This is really scary. So I think I'm going back. I'm just gonna be shopping at Sprouts and all these other places. They have plant-based cleaners there too. And yeah, I don't feel like dealing with Walmart. And I'll just go on Amazon and get what I need. I don't know if Amazon is gonna be based on the traffic. I don't know what they're doing over there either. It's comprised of mostly like individual sellers. So yeah, I'm just gonna do that or be ordering from the site. I'm either gonna be ordering from Hoover's site. They just about to lose some business for me because I don't have time to play these games. I really don't. Walmart, you need to count your days with me. Anyways, I'm tired. I think it's probably like midnight now. I did make myself some raspberry tea and I've been trying to drink that, and I think it did help with cramps a little bit. So yeah, I think it did help with that. They weren't as bad. So I'm gonna try to be consistent. I'll show you guys what I got. I got it from Walmart. I'm gonna have to find that somewhere else too. But I did see the capsules in Sprouts tonight, raspberry capsules. So maybe I'll start just taking those and see if it still has the same effect as the tea. But I like tea anyway, so I need to start drinking tea as opposed to having these iced coffees in the morning, because the sugar isn't good for me. It's just not good for my body, and just so many other things that's just not good for. So anyways, let me stop all this and get ready to go to bed, because I got a 9 to 5 or 8 to 5 or whatever we're calling it these days. Anyways, you guys have a good night.